Okay, so what do you want to hear? We gotta get on the same page. On count of three, yell out your favorite song. 1, 2, 3. Man, I'm hearing all kind of crazy shit. On the count of three, yell out your favorite cuss word. 1, 2, 3. God damn. Everybody say fuck, except for you. What'd you say? Cunt? Oh my God, lady! You know her? Damn, I made her wait in the truck. Huh? Oh yeah. That checks out. Okay, listen. We've been taking requests all night long. We're not gonna stop now. We need a honky tonk hero that wants to pick the very last song of the night. I see one right here with a cowboy. Come on up here, brother. What you see? What you got? What you got, dog? What you got? I like that. We just got a $100 bill for some Mötley Crüe. Oh! And we also just got a $100 bill for a song called Simple Man. So we got ourselves a good old-fashioned tie, folks. If you don't want to hear either one of them, $100 is the price to beat. So, we got a $100 bill for Mötley Crüe, and we got a $100 bill for Simple Man. What y'all think? We need a fucking tiebreaker. What you got? Oh shit. I spoke too soon. There's another 100 on Simple Man! Simple Man is officially back in the lead, ladies and gentlemen, by $100 above Mötley Crüe. Simple Man going once! Simple Man going twice! Listen, if you don't want Simple Man as the last song of the night, now's your chance. Y'all ready? Simple Man! Whoa. What you got going on there, bro?
Sherry here, just handed me $50.
Whoa, man, can't just rush the stage.
Hey, Sherry here just handed me $50. She got this Reba McEntire tassel jacket on. Dino, she just handed me this money. She said, play some Mötley Crüe, bitch. That's what she
got a $100 bill?
That's a $50 bill.
We just got a $50 bill on Mötley Crüe! So now Mötley Crüe is just $50 behind Simple Man.
Fuck you asshole!
What you got, girl? What? I do have Venmo. Is that?
Oh, yeah, we got Venmo.
Oh, right here.
At Vince Solo, whatever that means.
I think it's something sexual.
It's a long story. It's a real long story.
Long story with short parts. That's what I heard.
By the way, it's worth mentioning that the young ladies who want to hear Simple Man, her name is Brandy, and her name is Brandy, and they're both 47 years old today. What are the chances?
Damn. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm thinking about Brandy. He's already talking about the moon and the stars.
You see my girl, Brandy, you shit yourself.
Yeah, man, she's cool.
What you got, girl? What you got? $200 on what? Tyler, did it go through? It didn't go through. What the hell? Of course. She said $200 on Crazy Bitch. Holy shit. Let's see if it goes through. Yeah, I'll play a little bit of mood music one time, you know? Strike up the band. You know, little funky action shit. Let's see if it goes through. We've seen this happen before. We've seen this happen before. But until that goes through, Simple Man is still in the lead, ladies and gentlemen, by $50. We just got $200 on Crazy Bitch! So now Crazy Bitch is tied with Simple Man. So we got Simple Man, we got Crazy Bitch, and we have Mötley Crüe.
Randy, you're fine, girl.
Crazy Bitch is now in the lead by $1. Crazy Bitch, uh-oh. Let's see what you got, brother. What? Tyler? He said he's trying to beat all of them. He wants Lee Greenwood, God Bless the USA, for $300! My dog. It's Mason's 21st birthday! I believe you. Did it go through? Let's see here. If this goes through, God Bless the USA is in the lead, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, Tyler!
Ambitious, my friend.
No!
Oh, hamburger. Oh, dear. I've seen this before. Hey, Tyler. Oh, hey, Dino. In the meantime, I did want to mention that Kim here from Kansas City, she wanted me to say 3 things and she gave me $60. She wanted me to say, go Chiefs. She also wanted me to say, fuck Taylor Swift. That's what she said. And she also gave me $60 for Crazy Bitch.
Crazy, that's great and all, but listen. This dude just gave $300 for God Bless the USA by Lee Greenwood. That's in the lead, ladies and gentlemen. Lee Greenwood going once. It's in the lead
By $40.
by $40.
Crazy Bitch is behind by $40.
50, 50, He wants to put $50 and put it in the lead for Crazy Bitch. Holy shit. Holy shit. Let's see. What's this for, baby? There's another 20 on Crazy Bitch, plus the 50. That's $70. Crazy Bitch is back in the lead. Come on. Crazy Bitch is in the lead. By how much? $50?
$30.
$30. Crazy Bitch is in the lead by $30, my friend. What you got, brother? He said, put 100 on Lee Greenwood.
together.
We just got 200 on Crazy Bitch!
We got ourselves a convoy.
There's another $100 bill on Lee Greenwood, ladies and gentlemen. But Lee Greenwood is still behind by $100 because of this dude right here. Lee Greenwood is behind by $100, folks. Crazy Bitch going once! He said put it at $101 for Lee Greenwood and put it in the fucking lead. Let's see. Lee Greenwood is in the lead by $1 fucking. Holy fucking shit, what's this one? We just got a $20 bill for Crazy Bitch! Crazy Bitch is back in the lead by $19 fucking dollars. Crazy Bitch going once! Crazy Bitch going twice! Now's your chance, folks. Speak now, forever hold your fucking peace. Crazy Bitch! It is... Crazy Bitch song! What, man? Hurry up, I gotta take a shit.
Hey, sorry. I couldn't hear what she was trying to say. Your name is Kim, and you're from Kansas City. Can I tell them what you told me? Kim just paid $300. And she said, would you tell that guy to shut up and just play both those motherfuckers? That's what Kim just said. She gave $300. I think she was talking to you.
This is $400.
It's $400?
So wait a minute. You want to hear both those songs for $400 fucking dollars? Steve-O, Zach, you motherfuckers ready for this song? Let's hit that shit one time.